Doing that itself is going to attract more money. When you prove them wrong, then it will not happen.
So the next one, leave distinguished to see the president.
Yeah, it's format only.
Yes? That's the next one. Because she passed.
Policeman, order.
I'm attacking my constituents.
The only active everybody is trying. The number of people who come Tell him he should add more.
And of course, you know that this is our administration. And coming from the Northeast, we have that affinity of coming from the same place with the Vice President. And therefore, I've come to discuss issues of interest to the development of our country, to the security and stability of our nation in general, and particularly the development of the Northeast as we are affected. And as a member of the National Assembly coming from the Northeast, there are a lot of things that we need to be comparing notes with the executive arm of government, especially those that come from that part of the country. On the whole, I've come here to the villa to show my solidarity with our administration, the administration of the distinguished Senator Ahmed Lawan and the APC. And I want to assure you and the general public that Mr. President has started on very, very well. We are very proud of the policies that Mr. President has so far brought to bear in our polity. These are very progressive policies, policies that will yield the results that we all desire in our country. And as a member of the National Assembly, as a senator, and especially as an APC senator, we identify with those policies and will always be at hand and available to provide the legislative interventions that are necessary and required for such policies to be implemented fully for the benefit of Nigerians.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My employer.
was always giving us everything.
Your man came to
indigent school that they bring money. You know, there's no one that will tell the vice president. Nobody. The fresh minds. I think in the balance. That's not election. You finish.
So the next one, Philip, distinguished, to receive the president.
Yeah. It's a former colleague.
Yes? That's the next move.